going to be doing 20 rounds of 100 seconds of work with just 10 seconds to change over. So it's a tricep extension and then into like a little biceps curl. So it's down with a tricep, biceps curl, down, and then reach for that leg. I'm sinking low into the heel of this supporting leg. I'm lifting my other leg in. I'm just hammer curling my arms. So this is the base move again. So kick, and here, point the toe. Try to keep the leg straight. Even if you can't get as high as me, that's okay. Curtsy, diagonal, then turn, slightly lift off. If you don't want to use your weights, put them down. Bring the knee under, come up, across the other leg, up, knee under. It's up, otherwise just do the glute raise. And once again, you can choose your option. Do you want to bring your leg in half? So we're actually on the other leg this time. Do you want to click your ankles together? The kick, circle around, come up. So you're stretching your hamstrings at the same time. Leg out and in, up and down. It's up, you can look at your hand, out and in, up and down. We're off the mat again after this. Doing the whole thing on the other side. And then your hands to the back and pull towards the front. Just go as low as you're comfortable. It's not about getting low, it's about keeping your back flat and then just feeling that stretch in the back of your legs. Opening up through the hips and through your inner thighs, and diagonal, diagonal,